Here comes the Dolare Dola poster, a very colorful 10 days of festival.
For this Dolare Dola event in Sanjay Convention from 3rd October to 24th to 12th October 2024. So we are acting as a presenting partner. So we are happy to be a part of this occasion. So we are delighted to host this 10 days fest. Everyone together celebrating festival of Batukamma and Dandiya Navaratri events. So let's celebrate this event and make this a success. Thank you.
Thank you so much to Kapila Satish Garu, and I would like to request Rajshekhar Garu also to please speak.
Good afternoon, everybody. Impala has always become a communal living. We do a lot of big community projects, and we want each and every member of our family or societies to join and make this event successful. With a part of this, we are requesting everybody to join this along with entire Kodikula Chittigara team also and other outside members also, and make this event very grand successful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Ms. Sindhuri from Sandhya Convention to give you about the highlights of the event.
I welcome all the press and other dignitaries present here. This Dasara, which is about to start from 3rd of October till 12th of October, we, Sandhya Convention, with our esteemed presenting sponsors, Mupa Projects, and our beverage sponsors as Coca-Cola, we are conducting the most traditional and the most entertaining event, which has a number of events. Starting from Durga Puja, we are following Durga Puja on every day, usually on the 9 days at the daytime. And this venue is open all through the day. It is free of entry for shopping and food facilities from morning to night. And now the second most important event here is Dandiya, which is from evening 7 o'clock and is till 11:45 p.m. at the night, where we have every day we have a new DJ walking into it and presenting their way of music and making you dance. So we have, now with me I have 3 celebrity DJs, Mr. Kim, Mr. Jeevan here, and Mr. Closer. So these 3 are from Hyderabad. Apart from Hyderabad, we have other DJs coming from Maharashtra and Pune. We have DJ Moon, who is coming from Mumbai, and DJ Rohim, who is coming from Pune. He is one of the top 100 DJs in India. So apart from that, we have a Gujarati live band which is performing for everyone by name of Swarnanjali Gujarati band, which is very famous in the locality. And everyone who is ever coming from for the Dandiya in the evening, they are welcomed by a Punjabi dole. So this is the event which happens for all the 9 days. On the last day, we have Ravana Dahana with firecrackers, which is a huge event. And apart from that, we are celebrating Batukamma, which has been a part of Dasara according to the Telangana community. So I invite everyone to the Sandhya Convention and enjoy every facility available here. We have lots of good food, lots of shopping, and lots of entertainment. So I'm very happy to present it and wishing everyone to see you dancing all around. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sindhuri. Now I request event manager from Valentine Events, Ms. Nirmala, to please speak and throw a light about the fest, what's going to happen in this 10 days.
Good afternoon, everyone. As my friend Sindhuri has covered everything, there is nothing much left. But as an event manager, we are top event managers in Hyderabad. From last 10 years, we are doing all the good shows around the city. So we are using best technology, best sound, best visuals, and above all, we have the best DJs. And as she has already said, that we have DJs from Mumbai, Pune, and also a very good Gujarati band, and also a very good DJ lineup from Hyderabad. Apart from that, we are actually trying to attract other crowd like Maharashtrians and Gujaratis also. We are expecting that all these kind of people come in and enjoy the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ms. Nirmala. And now it's time for our celebrity DJs to have a word with the press. First, would like to request Mr. Kim to please speak.
Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, thank you so much for all the press team over here. Really appreciate your effort that you have taken time and come here for this special occasion. And I would like to thank you, Shrikant sir, for Kodi Kurachti sir. Thank you so much. We have been discussing this over for almost from July onwards, when Ashok first called me up and said, Kim, we would like to collaborate with you and start working together once again for this Dandiya event. And I recollect the last year when I performed over here in the same hall, the last day of Dandiya, the 10th day of Dandiya, we had around 2,800 plus people in the same hall where we are sitting. So I'm expecting the same kind of response for this year as well. It is a great opportunity for me to come back here. We would love to invite your family members, your kids. We have a lot of entertainments happening. At 10 days of Dandiya magic is happening here. Great musicians over here. We have lovely DJs from Hyderabad and from apart from India as well. So we would request you to please come forward, request your friends, families, your children, and this would be a great occasion to celebrate together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kim. Now I request DJ Mr. Jeevan to please speak.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much, media team and the score sponsors and everyone who are joining us. Well, as Kim already said, this year could be happening as comparing with the last year. At the same time, this year we have the other state DJs who are coming up. That will be a bit add-on, that will be a change of music every day, and love to see you people soon.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jeevan. And here's now time for our beautiful DJ, Ms. Floza. Please.
Alright. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank each and everyone for coming over here and gracing this event. This is me, DJ Floza from Hyderabad. And I'm going to perform on 10th October at this pretty and huge venue, Sandhya Convention. And the event is called as Dola Re Dola Mega Fest. So, well, it's an event which is a blend of rituals, dance and fun. So I would like, I'm looking forward to see each and everyone along with your family, friends and relatives and also kids to come and have lots of fun in this event. Well, I'm performing on 10th October, so I would like to see everybody on that day. And for this, I have already prepared the best of the best music set, which includes all the Bollywood, Tollywood, and also Punjabi, Garba music. And it's going to be ultimately amazing. I wish to see everybody in their best of the best Dandiya attire on that day. And we're going to really rock this event. Thank you so very much, everybody.
Thank you so much, Ms. Floza. And also now I request once again our event manager, Ms. Nirmala, to have a word with the press in Marathi also, so that it will reach to our Maharashtrians very much.
Well, this is to say that सगळं मराठी लोक प्लीज इकडे या आणि संधीचा फायदा घ्या आणि प्रत्येक मुंबईची जो मुलगी आहे मेघा शी इज अ प्रॉपर महाराष्ट्रीयन आणि तुम्हाला एकदा मराठी गाणं पण आपण गाऊ. आय रिक्वेस्ट एव्हरीबडी टू कम अँड एन्जॉय.
Thank you so much, Ms. Nirmala. Yeah, thanks to